So Samsung recently launched the Galaxy A32, which is the latest phone in the A lineup. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Here's my trusty knife as usual. Okay, let's see what's inside the Galaxy A32. Whoop, I've got another one to cut. Okay, this looks like the usual Samsung packaging. Okay, let's take a look what we've got in here. Okay, quick start guide and warranty information. And here it is, the Galaxy A32. And then just take a closer look here. We've got a fast charger, SIM card remover, and a USB Type-C cable. Okay, let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A32. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A32. It comes in a plastic body and frame with a glass front. You've got a 6.5-inch display, octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM. You've got a quad rear camera with a 20 megapixel front camera, 128 GB of storage, 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. The phone comes in awesome black, which is this model, a white, a blue, and a violet. So let's turn on the phone and see how it looks. Let's quickly get the phone set up. Take a quick look. We've got a Type-C port and headphone jack. Oh, that's very exciting. On the rear with the speaker, on the side you've got the power or unlock button with the volume rocker. The top has just a microphone, and on the side you get the SIM card, micro card slot. That familiar sound. Finally, the Galaxy A32 is on. So now we can just take a quick look. See how it looks. Looks very much like any other Samsung device of late. Let's open my favorite app, the camera. Right, so we got portrait, photo with the normal and wide angle. Oh, we can really zoom in quite far over there. Check that out. That's pretty impressive. Video modes. You can also do wide angle. A little bit of a lag there. Don't know what's going on. Okay, there we go. And let's see if we can zoom in. Oh, that's really good. What else? We got more. We got AR Doodle, Pro, Panorama, Food, Night Mode, Macro, Slow Motion, and Hyperlapse with all the settings as usual. That's very cool. The Galaxy A32 will set you back $5,999, which is actually really affordable for what you're getting. Yeah, this was just a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy A32, which I'm going to review and test out. So keep an eye out for more posts and my review.